Hey, the world's such a great place. The world is where we can set plays. So I'll be placing plays. The world's such a great place. The place of places where we be setting plays. Hey, and I'm set in place to be the one that be making plays. We be making plays where the playground is. It's the grounds where we grounded. You know, this the worldly world, the friendly world, the earthly worldly, where I'll be set in plays, I'll be set in my ways that set in the plays, cause the world's so splendidly. Spent my time being splendid. We so splendid. And the world is just that friendly. You know the worldly, you know the earthly, you know the grounded, you know the grounds that we walk on, the walks of life. You know the world, we be thinking twice, we be thinking one time. We do think this is the world of thinking. You know the world is such a splendidly worldly, earthly, friendly. This is Ray, R-A-Y, and I'll be setting my set in place. Oh, this the placement of the playing. Like I said, the playground is the place where we be setting the playings. Yay, 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 it's Ray. In the world is such that worldly. You know the world round it go round and round. Yeah, and I'll be around setting plays. Cause I'll be setting my ways. I'll be setting plays while I'm in them ways. Every way that we be going, you know the world is whirly. Oh, it's that wanna be singing, and rapping. This is Ray, and I like to be the one that be wording the words that be going with the placements and the plays in the world. Yay, the worldly world, A-R-A-Y. This is Ray. Unique.